right now. Like all the copy traders, take profit trader. I don't know. I've heard that a lot. Thank you for the link. I don't know what's going on. It's always something though. All right, market is about to open. Let's see.
I'm ready. I'm ready to actually make money. Got me.
Why does it say we have? Wait, why does it say we have unemployment claims at 3:10 a.m.? What the
Like it already happened?
No, I don't know. I think it's got to be bugged. I think we have a minutes report though at 2 p.m. Not that it has that much, weight, but
Oh. Okay.
we have a bunch of stacked highs at like 769. So I wouldn't be surprised if we took those first.
Definitely.
Hey.
Woo! It's moving.
For anyone in here, that trade is not a real trade. It's a paper trade based on the hourly. That I was just framing, and I just want to see the market move that way. If it doesn't, then it's all good. So I didn't put capital on it. All right, let's lock it. Hey!
What?
30-second inverse.
What the hell?
Hey.
I did not.
Hey! Wow. Oh my.
Damn.
All right, chill. Not yet. Wait for me. No, not yet.
Just target London lows, probably.
Don't do it yet. It's gone. Fuck. I hesitated again. It's gone.
We're too late. I mean, right now it's like
break even at that first low.
It's in a 15-minute gap, so maybe. You never know. Look at that. Yeah.
I wanted to go. I really want lower though. I personally really think we go lower. Yeah, I could be wrong. Let's see.
What the hell?
Damn.
I hate that. I hate when it does that.
Damn.
Oh my god.
There's those highs. Damn.
Yeah.
What a ripper. That's 115, 120 point candle on the 1 minute. That is insane. What the actual fuck?
I forgot we're on the 1 minute.
That was 120 point candle. Wow. 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 That's all I gotta say is wow.
Yeah.
Big. Gone. See ya. Here comes those highs.
Hopefully London.
What a fucking rip. I pussied out of it. I did.
This is crazy.
Do we tap in? No. Okay. see. Got a gap tap here. Thank you. See if we get a reaction. Or if we want to come back lower. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it came back lower now, because this is exactly what the setup looked like yesterday, and it played out, and Friday. And they're like, oh, let's just trap everybody that thinks it's the same exact thing. And they pattern traded. Oh, we saw this the last 2 days and cook everyone. We'll see. We'll see. That's just a thought in my head.
I don't know now. I really thought it was going to keep going up to London.
Let's see. We would want to see a strong reaction out of this 1 minute. We still held this 1 minute gap, but let's see. We engineered lows too.
Now it's like chilling in between like 2 5-minute.
Let's see. We swept out a bunch of highs though, so it's like,
yeah. That's why I feel like it should just continue.
Sharp reaction off. We inversed the 1 minute, but we didn't on ES, so we'll see. Still nothing too convincing for me yet. We just hit GP. Let's see if we get a reaction off that, or if we just fall. Open, low, subsystem, okay. That was a sharp reaction off those. Those lows and the highs. So as of right now, it's, I don't know. It's happened a 1 minute gap right here. If we want higher, we should flip it, go to London. If not, we reject.
Yeah. A couple more seconds. Just waiting for the new candle.
We're right in the middle of this gap, so how much is like the ranges are wide. The ranges are really wide today, so I just need to see like what is like a 50 like I just need to see like what is the sizing. I don't really know. No, 5 is okay, that makes sense. That wasn't me taking any trade, guys. That was me just flipping. Okay, let's see what this 1 minute gap does. All right, so we held the 1 minute gap so far.
Yeah. Oh.
Let's see. If we get a strong close lower here, I don't think shorts look terrible. But I would want to see displacement. London highs are pretty close. We do inverse this 1 minute gap. But the reaction we had off of there was kind of sharp. So I don't know. We had sharp reactions off both sides. But the reaction off the lows was just like just insane. But
oh wow.
All right.
Now I need to break out of this entire area for me to even go in.
Yeah, I thought we were going to get a strong close lower there, but we bounced up last second, so nothing for me.
kind of
Looks
crazy.
like we're just range bound for now.
Yeah.
I really want to see this hourly play out though. Like, I really do. I really, really do.
Let's see.
Like this flip.
Yeah.
I want to see us show some fucking weakness. Like, just I love shorting so much more than longing. It's just I don't know. It's so fucked, but it's true.
I get it. It just sounds like easier.
Probably makes the push lower here. Or some sort of sweep.
Need to inverse one of them.
All right, there's a push lower. We swept. We have S&T at these 1 minute lows right now. Let's see if it holds.
Oh yeah.
See what we do here. NQ is the weaker pair. 1 minute S&T held. Let's see if we get over this 1 minute inverse now.
Yeah.
Longs don't look bad.
Right?
Like something like this wouldn't look that terrible. You could break even here at like almost 1-to-1 and then target London. If we get a strong close above, otherwise we shall see.
That's good.
But higher, it's just so it's tough because the 1 hour looks bearish. Everything looks bearish. So it's just like I don't know. I prefer not to take a long. It's just not the way I trade. All right, that S&T is broken.
Let's see.
I do like shorts here. Strong close.
Oh, yeah. Oof. Okay. It's pretty strong now.
Yeah. ES is just stronger. Don't want to see it slow down now. I want to see it just go. Tap. All right. I'm break even.
There we go. Finally inverse.
Where? And we're going to bounce right up, huh? Yep. Sounds about right.
That's crazy.
Don't do that. Don't do it. Bro. That's fucking insane. All right. Well, I got break evened on the rest.
Yeah.
And now it's going to do it. Now it oh, no way, man. No way. No way it does that. Don't you dare. It's because I got a dog shit fill. S&T at the lows on the 1 minute. in the 5 minute. I mean, here comes the drop. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I'm telling you. I added in and moved my break-even point.
Dude.
Every time I add in, I get cooked. Every single fucking time. I should have just fucking closed it all. Fuck me, man. How does this happen? Now it's gonna it's gonna run now. It's gonna go lower. Like really? Like I got wicked up at like 2 ticks. Like it's so fucked up, man. Like I fucking hate trading. I hate trading. This is not real. This is not real. Please reverse. Yes, thank you. All right. I do want to see if we could get a continuation short. I do want to see if we could get a move, a rejection. That would be nice. That would be nice. All right. Our last leg up is right here. Damn. What the hell? Sharp reaction. SMT at lows.
Ooh.
Honestly.
That's actually crazy.
Both reactions after we swept lows have been super strong so far. So like, I don't know, something to think about. We just were at the golden pocket area. Let's see. We inversed that gap. On the 1 minute, 2 minute still hasn't. We're in these gaps. Let's see what happens. We get a strong reaction lower. You know what I'm doing. Dun, 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 dun. Damn. It's just like realistically, actually no. London does line up with those fibs, so that wouldn't be bad at all, actually. Let's see what this 1 minute does in this 30-second.
Holy wick on the 5 minute. Jeez.
All right, we inversed. Previous week low is 625. All right. I am trailing my stop there. I'm now break even. Holy shit. What a move. All right.
Oh, wow. You got
I want to see London get taken out. 604. And then, I mean, we have a 1 hour gap at 568 that we might hit. We're also at previous week low right now. Come on, give us that push lower. We have SMT with ES right now too, so we want to see that getting validated, and then we could just really break if it wants to. I swear, don't do it. Don't do it. Are we serious? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We need ES to get weak, and NQ should just fall. This is insane. Every time I hold a runner, I'm not kidding. Every single time I hold runners, it's cooked.
Maybe don't.
I know, but that's the time it does run. Like,
yeah.
Like,
you gotta be a little riskier.
I got break even on the rest. I'm done. I'm locking myself out for the day. That's fucking cooked. That's it. I'm gonna do something stupid because it's gonna come back lower now too. I know it. All right. Well, I took 2 decent shorts.
Bro. I'm so mad. When I took a long like at the very start, and I couldn't set like my TP or anything because I don't know. I just didn't. I was literally up like 2,300. I try to close my position. By the time it actually closes, I'm down
Yeah,
1K.
that's fucked up.
And now I
I mean, yeah,
can't
we
take
had
any
a crazy
more trades.
reaction. Look at that. I hate this shit. Every single time it just comes back, wicks me out, and then it just fucking cooks. That's twice. That's twice today. Both times. Unbelievable. Now we're coming for the external low at London, and then you could target your runners if you're still in at 5, 6, 8. One final runner, but I would take basically your entire position off at London right here and maybe leave some runners because there it is. Fuck me, right?
Wow.
The hour, look at this. The hourly played out perfectly. It just filled me. Okay, there we go. That was a fucking banger. That was a fucking banger. Honestly, I would close it all there. If you're in, fucking close that shit. I mean,
Yeah.
I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. How did it did it twice to me? It did it twice.
Bro, today is just not our day. You know,
I mean, it's just fucking bullshit. It's so fucked up.
at least you got the beach.
Yeah, it would have been nice to be at the beach with an extra fucking couple thousand. Whatever. Shorts played out. I called out exactly what I wanted to see. We got it to London. We have these extension fib levels right here, which lined up perfectly with London. Nice rejection off this golden pocket area. S&T at the lows caused a bit of the retrace that we got there. Obviously, NQ was the weaker pair. ES broke the low, retested the 1 minute gap, and then fell down into the next, I think, into this 4 hour gap. We have external S&T here on the 1 hour and 4 hour. And then if we break that, we could start seeing lower prices to like, I don't know. There's not many sell side draws until like 410, but that's like a free fall. We also have a small 1 hour gap here. So we're also in a 1 hour gap. But that's cooked. I got cooked.
Yeah.
That sucks. All right. ES just took London as well. Damn, bro.
How low is this gonna go? Let's see.
Okay, so let's see. Is the SMT still valid? No, SMT is broken. I mean, gosh, it might just start free falling. But we are down. All right, it's not that bad yet. We're only down like 1.2% on it. NAS, a little under 1% on ES. Gold edge, gold looks solid, honestly. Very solid. What about YM? YM's down around 1%. I mean, shorts were fire. Just I guess my entries were just not that great, and they come back, retrace on me after I go break even. I mean, obviously I secured profits on the way down, but it just cooked. Could have been a fat day.
Your entries were fine. It just like the wicks were crazy.
Yeah,
Like,
but I don't know. The thing is like I can't change the way I trade. That's the thing is like a lot of people will see this. Like a lot of people that aren't consistently making money or trading will see this and they'll think that they have to tweak their system where like they're like, oh, I keep getting stopped out after I go break even. Like maybe I shouldn't go break even at all and like not manage my risk. And then it's like, okay, you're changing your system just for one day where, you know, it kind of hurts you. But in the long term, your risk management rules are there to protect you. And in the long term, they're going to help you more than they hurt you. So I can't like not go break even anymore because of that. I mean, it sucks and it's bullshit because we just flushed to the gap that I wanted, but I mean, can't change it. So whatever.
Yeah. Oof. Yeah, I don't think I even would have really taken a trade besides the first one I did. And that didn't even play through. I don't know.
What did you take? Like what longs?
It was when it inversed this 5 minutes, so like it closed above like 733. And I was targeting what was I targeting?
Wait, what 5 minute?
Or mine the 1 minute. Hold on.
Bro, we were flushing, man.
Bro.
Man.
5 minute from it was like 704 to I don't know, 730.
On the 5 minute?
Yeah. And then obviously
7.
there's another one, so that's kind of why it didn't play out. I don't know. It was not a good entry.
So your entry is at 704?
It was at. Can I actually see when I end?
Yeah, if you turn on your executions, you should be able to.
Or like quarters. Wait. Come on. Oh, no. It just has the arrow. Can I just. Oh. 783? That was so delayed. That's why it didn't even work.
I mean, you market ordered in probably, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you market ordered in. We were just ripping through. So I mean,
Yeah.
it's tough.
I was blaming on my fucking computer, bro.
I can't believe this. Seriously, like I could have literally left a runner for so much. My first entry. So my first trade was this. After I saw us, okay, hold on. Let me get rid of some shit first to make it cleaner. Okay. We had previous day low, whatever, swept it. Okay. So we have this huge reaction. I'm like, okay, maybe we're bullish, maybe we want London, but then higher time frame. I'm still sticking with my, my analysis, and I see we flip this 1 minute gap. We come, whatever, we make these lows, week previous day low, retrace, reject the monthly open, some order blocks, fill some fair value gaps, flip it, displacement, we retest. So I'm like, okay, I want lower prices still. There are draws lower, market is pulling back. And then we get this, we don't inverse it right away. We inverse the gap here. We leave a sell side gap, retrace into it, reject 50% of it perfectly, bunch of wicks off it, finally get some displacement lower, right? So I have my trade like this. And then what I was, my entry was not that bad. There wasn't. But regardless, I was targeting the first internal range low for my break-even point. We had stacked lows right here. They aligned here. So that was my break-even point. And then after we got like this push down, it was about a 1-to-1 risk to reward, which is what I trade. So I closed like half my position there. And then I was going to let the rest run. Obviously got break even on the rest. Unfortunate. Then on the second trade, this one was even better. He had a SMT, which caused the retrace right here, tap into the golden pocket, perfect rejection off it, see displacement right on this candle close. So I entered like as we were rejecting, like somewhere like right here. Stop above here. Obviously my target was, London lows and then this 1 hour gap. But then I took majority off at previous week low, or half off a previous week low, because, that is a crucial point. Like we realistically could bounce at that level, which we did. And it did, and then it ran. So my analysis was spot on. I guess I tried managing my risk a little too tightly, but can't go broke doing that. So
you were right.
It's okay. Good 2 solid trades. I just didn't trade them accordingly. Can't complain.
Yeah, it's definitely better than like shitty trades. So
Yeah, I mean,
it's nice to know that like you know it did play out eventually, but you know.
yeah, everything aligned what I want. I mean, I came into the charts, I already had a short open on the screen, so it's like, clearly that's what I wanted. That's like we got exactly what I wanted. That 1 minute candle spike up is just manipulation, and clearly we just see what happened out of it. And it's actually crazy because if we went back, I literally said this is the exact same thing that happened the past 2 trading days. So everyone's probably like, oh my God, we swept the low and huge reaction off it. We're going to go fly now and take the highs. And they just cooked everybody that was trying to pattern trade. I literally said it.
Bro,
I did say it.
you did.
I called this shit out. That's something like no one could even teach you that. Like that's not something that's like teachable. It's just like that's just like market experience, and like you'll start seeing stuff like that over time because like it worked out the first day. Yes, of course, it's a solid reaction. Worked out the second day. What are the odds they let you get the same exact setup 3 days in a row right at open and just
Yeah.
face it? Probably not high,
Wow, this is crazy. Let me look at the 1 minute. I'm on the 5 minute. They're like any retrace. It probably is, but
yeah, I mean, the only next target I really have is just like I want to say it's like 410, but like, are we gonna get that today? I mean, it's possible. It's just like already down. We have Nvidia earnings tomorrow, so the market may chill. Wait for that. I don't really know. Maybe we did get a really strong hourly close lower, so.
oof. This is kind of clean. Yeah. Why is this frozen? Oh my God. Maybe I should just like literally look at the charts on here and then trade with my phone because it's so laggy.
This is so fucked. So fucked. We're just dumping. We're gonna get 410 today. We're gonna get 410. Honestly, good. Keep selling. I hope the market flushes. Let's see. How far down are we from all-time highs? Damn. Almost 7.5%. Come on. Keep going.
Damn.
Damn.
That's crazy. It's just going.
It's actually insane. I had the perfect short entry twice, and they just fucked me out of it. They literally just fucked me out of it.
I'm scared to check my phone and see who caught this, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to open anything today.
Bonka had an internal server error. Damn, he could not trade, I don't think. That sucks. Who else? Oh yeah, this kid, he literally it's looking like the same entry as you. He got break even. And then
AG?
No, his name's like Ducci. I don't know if you know him.
No, I have no idea who that is.
He's chill. Yeah, same shit. That sucks.
I know AG. AG, well, me and him trade the same way. We both learned from Cole, but he took both trades that I took and got break evened on them both. Like,
now you know it's not you.
So cooked. That was so cooked.
Oof.
It's all good. Now, I mean, I'm done. I locked myself out. I mean,
I can't even. They're not even letting me trade, bro.
Why do you always have issues with your shit? I don't get it.
No, I mean for this, since like I'm down 1K off of like a 2-second trade, Tradevate like I don't know, like liquidated me or whatever. Like I think it's like a security thing. So unfortunate.
Netflix is ripping. Must have got news. I don't know. got into some news. Disney's ripping too.
I mean, people were saying the market's like crashing. I just didn't think.
People are like, but the thing is, they're blowing it out of proportion. Like, market has been, if you actually look at this, this is why people have no idea what they're talking about. If you look since when was it was April, right? That's what I'm looking for. No, okay. Okay, ready? Since this is April of this year, when Trump bottom signaled the market, we ran up in the indice. Okay, let's actually figure out how many days exactly. So since Trump bottom ticked the market, we ran up almost 54%. NQ went up 9,000 points in 204 days. We went up 54%. So now people see a 7% pullback and they're like, the market's crashing. Like, guys, come on. Like, zoom out. Zoom out. What does this look like to you? Does it look like the market's crashing?
Gotta look at a higher time frame. Always.
Like, do people genuinely think the market looks like it's crashing? 56% in under a year. You want to say the market's crashing? Come on. Realistically, what I would love to see from the market is us sweep. We have like basically relative equal lows here, and I want to see us come down into this weekly fair value gap, which would also be like a giant order block as well.
Yeah.
If we could come down to here, I promise you, I might go to the bank and take a loan out. Just to buy long. I'm not even kidding. I've already talked to a couple people about it. I might do it. Didn't just buy
weekly. I should get on that. I need to look at everything, honestly. I feel like I'm always like on the regular time frames.
Yeah, you got it. When in doubt, always zoom out. Always.
Yeah.
Always look left. Let me on this John sometime. Bro, you gotta talk that up with the boss man, bro.
Yes.
Go hit up Moore and Antonio. Let him know.
Dude, when are they coming back, bro?
I have no idea. Target's doing well. Yeah, Target. The sauce to this is you have to find the names and the companies that are relatively strong throughout this pullback, right? And whatever names are holding up the most, like when we start pushing back higher, they're probably going to be the ones that are the strongest still. It's just like relative strength. Obviously, you don't get them on as much of a discount, but it's worth it. And you just long those. You just buy leaps, honestly. And it's just, but the problem is nobody knows, obviously, like how long, like, like the downside will be. Usually bear markets, I believe they're like 1 to 2 years, maybe 3 is like the average bear market. I don't think we're in bear market. We're definitely not. But if we get anywhere near that territory, I promise I'm going to the bank.
Oof.
It's just like there's just so much opportunity. Like there's so much opportunity.
Honestly, yeah. You gotta take advantage of all that.
You gotta.
Nobody talks about it enough.
Yeah, they don't. But it's actually true. That's just like how you make a ton of money. Because obviously, if you're investing in like the top companies, like in Apple, Amazon, Google, all that stuff, like they're not going anywhere. They're not. So it's like, why would you not want to buy them when they're on sale? It's like going to the store. Why do you want to pay full price for something when you could pay for it on sale? Like
it is ripping up. Shit.
All I needed was a little more freaking follow through. That's cooked.
No retrace, just
What does one do today? Anyone have any suggestions? It's a perfect day out again. What does one do? We just tapped a 5-minute gap, and we're retesting that hourly gap that we flipped right here. Retested and 5-minute gap, same thing. Let's see. I mean, we edged 410. I really think we're coming back for 410.
Oh.
410 is this daily sell side.
Oh yeah.
We're probably, if we do make, like if we do go get it, there's a good chance we end up putting in an SMT at the low. Let's see. So far, we are rejecting. Shorts wouldn't really be valid unless, like for me, I mean, I'm not taking anything else, but like I would want to see us like strong close, probably flip this 2-minute gap, and it's like something like this. Not the best risk to reward, but realistically, you could just trail your stop as we make pushes down. Just keep mitigating risk if it does play out.
Damn.
All right. Well, here we go.
Don't do it. Oh. Back in.
Not on fundeds, but like this is what I would take this trade.
Mm-hmm. Dude, bro, why is my screen frozen?
If I didn't already take this trade, like take trades throughout the day, I would more than likely probably take this trade. But obviously, I already traded. We should just start. I mean, I would want to see is just start melting here, right down. The more it just stalls here, it's like not a good sign. We want, like, you would want to see speed through. That's what we want to see, speed through to this next liquidity level. 410 is the target.
I think that'll hit 100%.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Bro.
You say that green candle right away.
I'm just not gonna stop. I'm not gonna talk. Like,
right to stop loss. Right to stop loss.
That's my bad.
Yo, okay, anyone that actually took this, I'm sorry. Caitlin genuinely just cursed you all. I'm not. To ham. Guys, Caitlin just did you dirty.
I'm so sorry.
Just deadass did everybody dirty. Please, I really hope people didn't take that.
That's a crazy candle, though. Like,
Well, I just got a text from one of my students. Took that 2-minute short, got fried.
I feel that. Damn. Okay. I'll say the opposite next time.
I'm surprised that trade didn't play out. I actually am very surprised. I mean,
Yeah.
it still can. Like, we didn't break this high yet. Like, I feel like everybody was in that short, though. Like, everybody took that short.
I was super
I'm so
confident.
glad I didn't actually take it because I'd be pissed. That looked valid, in my opinion.
Your
Like,
students take it, not you though.
huh?
It's funny. Where is it getting? Imagine it just tanks.
Honestly, I could see it going lower now. Yeah, I agree, CM. I probably would have been in that trade too if I didn't already take 2 trades. Yo.
Well, I just won on black on roulette, so that's one win today.
I still think we're gonna go lower, like genuinely. Like, I'll be surprised if we don't. 410 is the draw. Heading to the weekly low, just a small pullback for it. I agree. No, yeah. Wait, where the weekly lower is already taken. We're forming new weekly lows. I think you meant this one, 410. Yeah. I agree. That I still think that 410 is the draw. I mean, realistically, if you had your stop above here, which technically like you're supposed to, you're still in. You're actually in profit right now. So it's gonna hit now because it stopped out everybody first. Everybody.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
awesome.
Like, bro. Okay. Where's the week? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
Once it takes this 410 level, I think I'm just gonna go figure something out to do with my life.
Sounds all right. Let's see what we're doing. Dear Alpha. Oh. Now Alpha Futures talks about Project X. I was waiting for that.
They made a comment over the weekend though.
I just got an email. I don't know why. For now, it's business as usual. You may trade Project X accounts. Oh.
Yeah, CM. I'm not gonna lie. That would make sense. Honestly, that would be a big retrace though. Like to go from. I mean, maybe, but like for us to come all the way back up, tap the 50-minute gap, then from there to then move back down another like 170 points. I mean, it very well could. It just like that's a lot of ping ponging, almost. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Like,
because
honestly, if they leave this low again, I wouldn't even be surprised. They're just dead ass cooking people because everybody's in this short right now. Everybody is in it.
honestly, yeah.
Especially if they got stopped the first time, they saw the inverse again, and then they re-entered, and now they're cooked. This is how they tilt people. Damn.
It was like
They cooked everybody. There's S&T about to form at this high.
all right.
Oh my.
What is this? I did not.
Damn. That's that's like fucked up. That's fucked up.
Hopefully, people got out.
Nah, everyone got
At
cooked.
least Biggie.
I promise you, guys. Listen, if you got cooked, if you did, and you need a new account, TBT at checkout. I know a lot of you got cooked. I know a lot of people got cooked. Seriously. I mean, if I didn't take trades before that, I probably would have taken it. I would have taken the first 2 minutes. I mean,
Yeah.
if I didn't take it, honestly, I would have. And I probably would have been trailing. I don't know. You couldn't really, but sketchy. Sketchy.
I think I need to buy like a, what do you call it? Like a Wi-Fi box.
Oh, who?
This shit's cool. Like, what is it called? Like Wi-Fi. Yes. Yeah. It's bad.
What the hell is CMT dialed? The hell?
Put him on the show.
What does that mean?
What he said?
CM trading? Oh, he did cook. I didn't realize exactly what you meant. I need to flee the country. Where should I go? I need to like go somewhere, guys. Anyone have any suggestions? Oh, Caitlin's gone. All right. Just me and you guys. All right, guys. I need to flee. I want to go somewhere. Where should I travel to? Anyone have any good suggestions? I want to go to Italy. Anyone? Italy would be cool. Anyone have any good suggestions for where in Italy I should go? Someone's got to have something for me. Damn, no one gave me any suggestions. All right. Aside from that, what's that island just off Italy? I'm not sure. Sicily? Let's look up the map of Italy. Sardinia? Am I blind? Antonio says, oh, right here. Gotcha. Maybe I'll check that out. That does look cool. I need to hit like Naples though. I need to hit like the mainland too. Probably check out Rome or Sorrento is super nice, I've heard as well. New York City is tough, bro. New York City is cooked. I do not. No, honestly, I've never been to Europe. I've never been to anywhere in Europe, and I've really been itching to go. I want to go to Greece too. I really want to go to Greece. Where is it? Damn, I guess I don't know my my geography. Where is it? Oh, here we go. I mean, I know flights are super cheap. Like once you're over there, that's what I've heard. Like, I do know it is very touristy, but I did want to go to Mykonos. I don't even know where it is, but haven't been to Europe at 30, bro. How old do you actually think I am? You think I'm actually 30? Bro, I'm not even 25. Let's chill. Japan. Listen, Japan looks really cool. I don't think I could sit on a plane for that long. Like, just like you said, that's too much. That's too much for me. Bro, I already, like, when I travel, like, back home to see my family in New York, it's like a 2-hour, 30 to 50-minute flight, depending on that day. And I'm already itching to get off the plane, like, right away. I'm just like, because I can't just chill. I don't know why. I can't just, like, sit there and just, like, nap or anything. Like, it's hard for me to, like, fly anywhere like that. I don't know. Someone needs to, like, prescribe me some Xanax so I could fall asleep or something. Where's Mykonos? I've heard it's fire. It's just, like I said, like, it's very touristy. Okay, here it is. Oh damn, it's its own island off Greece. I didn't even know that. But yeah, I heard it's cool. I don't know. I just want to get out of here, bro. I really just want to get out of here and just go somewhere. I really do. All right, let's see. I think 410 has to get hit. Like 410's got to hit at some point. Right? Like there's just no way. If it doesn't like make a push to go lower here, I'm probably just going to call it. Also, in all seriousness, Thursday I won't be on stream. I'm flying home actually to New York for like Thanksgiving and everything. So I will not be able to stream on Thursday. Friday I should be good to go and stream from home. It's going to be a little different of a setup. I'm going to have to figure out how exactly I want to do it, but we should be good. Let's see. Hopefully we get this push lower from here. Tap that 15-minute gap. We had a strong hourly close. Just opened up a new 30-minute. This previous 30-minute was a retrace, right? We're rejecting this 5-minute gap. Would want to see this push lower. All right, so we break that low, and now we're pushing right back up. Let's see. If we break above this high here, I'm probably going to call it because I'm already done trading, and it doesn't seem like it wants to give us 410. If it does do that. All right. I mean, solid reaction initially off that, that 1-minute gap and sweep, but we're looking for shorts. That's not necessarily what we want to see. Let's see. Patience pays, everyone. Patience pays. Anybody have any questions, trading related and non-trading related? Anyone have anything? Let me hear them. All right. All right. All right. Here it comes. Potentially. Any video recommendations? What kind for what? What kind of videos are we talking about? Oh, for trading education. Hmm. Honestly, on YouTube, a lot of people that are really good for at least for the way I trade personally, my trading strategy. A lot of good people are Cole, NQ Cole. He's got a lot of good videos, a lot of like strategy and breakdowns, and like a lot of good psychology, very good psychology videos. AG Trades on YouTube. He's got very good videos. He trades the same way I do, so I like his. But obviously, you know, if you want just complete sauce, Antonio's got some great YouTube videos, shows you how to trade his strategy and a lot of different stuff, how to scale prop firms, how to manage your risk, all that good stuff. But yeah, it depends exactly what people are looking for. I trade continuations. I have my own YouTube. I don't really post that often. I do need to start doing better with that. But I do have I think, some good videos on there as well. I have some daily recaps, my trade recaps, some psychology, like scaling prop firms, all that good stuff. So I have a bunch of stuff on mine too. I don't post that often, but there definitely is some good content on there as well. Yeah, I would say for the way I trade and everything, it's pretty pretty solid recommendations. AB Trades is pretty good too. He trades similar to me. So we just flipped these gaps on NQ NDS. So let's see if it wants to make that push down now, or does it want to keep messing with everybody? But 410 is the draw. I mean, it's clear as day. Of course, of course. Damn. Yeah, they're just going to keep messing with everybody unless this is just a continuation gap tap before we push. But All right. Solid reaction right there off that 1 minute gap. If we get a strong, I mean, we should see speed here down into that low. We rejected that 1 minute gap pretty aggressively. We are sitting in a gap on ES though. So that might be what's holding us up. And we're just engineering lows at this point. I want to see it just take the low, book that low. And at that point, it's like every single draw that I could have wanted today has hit. I mean, I didn't even think that 410 would come anywhere close, because if you look 1 minute into market open, we got all the way back up to 833. We've already dropped more than 1.5%, which is a crazy move. And we've been falling, day after day, like the past couple weeks or so. So pretty happy. I mean, selfishly enough, I just want us to keep pulling back. I want to see at least this low get taken out. Like 24,158 is like, that, in my opinion, is like, okay, if you want to start buying long term, it's not a bad time to add your starter position. Been struggling with sizing up into anything more than 1 mini, so I think it's just a lack of confidence in my strategy. Yeah, it could be, but at the end of the day, everybody is human. We're not bots or robots, so we are always going to have emotions. And me personally, it took me a while to be able to just scale. it's just tough. Like, you have to have confidence in your strategy. You have to be able to like trust your gut. You don't want to second guess or hesitate. When you hesitate, a lot of times, the trade will play out. Like, your gut will be right. And then it's just like, then you almost FOMO into an entry. So it's like scaling is tough. It takes a long time to really scale up. And obviously I'm not scaled up to where I want to be. Obviously it's an infinite scale for the most part. So it's just, gaining that screen time, market experience over and over. And over time, you're going to gain the confidence in your trading and you'll be able to scale slowly. It's not something where you could just aggressively jump. Like, no one is going to be able to jump from like a mini to 2 minis. Like, that's a huge jump. Like, so me personally, that's why I like to trade the micros for the most part. Cause it's like, it's easier to manage your risk. Like, you could take like 13 micros or you could take like 17 micros to get exactly the risk that you kind of want. And then it's like, okay, if you're like trying to scale, you're okay, I want to up my risk from like, let's say like 750 to 1,000 instead of like having to throw an entire extra mini on, you add like 2 or 3 micros and that's it. And it really does, it makes it easier. Another thing is that, at least for me personally, what I did and still try and do that helps me with that is I try and turn off everything that shows my P&L unrealized and realized. Like, while I'm trading, I don't want to see how much I'm up, how much I'm down. Like, when you see swings like that, it's just like human psychology to, like get emotional and like bring emotions into play. And so my best advice for that as well is to kind of like turn off all like the profit and loss for that stuff and just, focus on the trade, because obviously taking the best trades you can is what matters the most rather than the P&L, because with good trades, P&L will come. If you're just trading, trying to make the P&L, your trades are going to be shit. Your psychology is going to be shit, and you're trading for the wrong reasons. So, all right, we engineered this low a third time. I think we're going to get it. But at this point, I think I'm going to hop off. I still think 410 is the draw, but yeah, turning off P&L is definitely good. I agree. I'm going to hop off here. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Remember, Thursday, I won't be on stream. I think Caitlin should still be on stream, but I won't be. I'm flying home in the morning. So I'll see everybody tomorrow. Hope you all bank today. Peace out.